Thinking about teaching your child piano at home, but feeling totally unqualified? You're not alone. The good news, you don't need to be a musician to make piano a part of your child's life. I've helped hundreds of parents do it, and I'll walk you through exactly how. So whether you can barely plunk out Twinkle Twinkle or haven't touched a piano in your life, you can do this. Hey y'all, I'm Miss Diana, a Christian piano teacher and studio owner with over 20 years of experience. And at this point, I've taught more than 900 students online, and I specialize in helping busy parents give their kids joyful, self-paced piano lessons that fit their schedule without sacrificing quality or results. So if you're looking for tips, encouragement, and helpful resources to support your child's piano journey, be sure to like and subscribe to this video. I'd love to walk alongside you and your family. Let's start with what you actually need to bring piano into your home. You'll want a keyboard or digital piano. 88 keys is ideal, but 61 is just fine for beginners. Pick a consistent practice spot. Even a cozy corner in the living room works. Set aside a little time, just 15 to 20 minutes. I say at least 3 to 4 times a week can go a long way. And finally, you'll need a course or a teacher you can trust so you don't have to teach everything yourself. The biggest myth about piano for kids is that you have to become your child's music teacher. You do not, okay? You just need the right tools and structure in place. So here's where it usually goes wrong. Parents try to piece together free YouTube videos, or they feel pressure to build their own lesson plan. Shout out to my homeschool families. Or they try to lead lessons themselves, even if they've never touched a piano. And kids, they get frustrated, they get distracted, they lose confidence, and there's no clear path forward for them. So that's why so many families start off strong and then they stop. Because when piano becomes one more thing on your to-do list, it just doesn't last. And that's why I actually created a self-paced piano course that's made just for kids and for families who want a system that works. The beauty of self-paced is that your child can press play and follow me step by step. So for you, there's no prep, no stress, no music degree required. I got you covered. The lessons are short, structured, and fun, with built-in encouragement and plenty of time to review. They'll get engaging video lessons, personal practice videos, and a layout designed for their age group, content that speaks to them. And you get to encourage. You are their coach, not instructor. So if you felt like music is just one more thing you should be doing, but haven't had the time or confidence, please hear me. You're not failing. You just haven't had the right support yet, okay? So with the right system, piano doesn't feel like one more task. Instead, it becomes a joy-filled rhythm in your week, a way to nurture your child's creativity and confidence right from home. And I truly believe you are the perfect person to make that possible. So if you are ready to get started, I'd be honored to walk with you. You can actually check out my full self-paced course through the link in the description box. And if you're new, you get to use a special link to get $20 off your first class. So let's make piano a meaningful part of your child's story together. If you found this video helpful, please be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and encouragement for parents and kids on their piano journey. See you next time.